The Advances in Construction Technology Series, Part 3. This video is Part 3 of a 3-part series about technology impacting and improving the construction industry. Drones. Drones can be used to quickly conduct job site inspections and identify potential hazards each day. They can also monitor workers throughout the day to ensure everyone is working safely. Drones are being used to take photos as work progresses and create as-built models of job sites to keep everyone informed of the changing work conditions daily. Robots. Current robots are good at doing simple, repetitive tasks, which is why we see things like bricklaying robots or rebar tying robots. Once set up, these robots can work continuously to complete tasks faster than human workers without needing to take breaks or go home for a good night's sleep. Robots don't get tired from lifting bricks, applying mortar and setting them in place, or constantly bending over to tie rebar. Autonomous heavy equipment. Autonomous heavy equipment, using similar technology for self-driving cars, is currently being used on job sites to perform excavation, grading, and site work. This technology allows operators to be removed entirely from the machine, allowing companies to do the same amount of work with fewer workers. These machines use sensors, drones, and GPS to navigate the construction site and conduct site work based on 3D models of the terrain to accurately excavate and grade the site. Augmented GPS, a combination of on-site base stations and satellites, can be used to geofence the site and allow autonomous equipment to move around the site with precision accuracy. BIM. Building Information Modeling, BIM, is a process that incorporates digital representations of buildings in 3D models to facilitate better collaboration among all stakeholders on a project. This can lead to better design and construction of buildings. Changes to the BIM model occur in real time, so any changes or updates are instantly communicated to all team members when they access the model. Everyone is working with the most up-to-date information at all times. Because the schedule can be simulated, a visual representation of the construction process allows team members to plan each construction phase. With AR, a project manager or contractor could walk through a construction site and easily view an overlay of a BIM model on top of as-built construction and compare the two. At the same time, they could be accessing checklists and completing a daily report using a heads-up display. The project manager could instantly take photos or record the augmented reality walkthrough and send it back to the design team for clarification as issues arise. End note. Companies researching and implementing construction technology are reaping the rewards with increased productivity, better collaboration, and completing projects on time and under budget, resulting in higher profit margins. Credit. This video is based on an article by Kendall Jones, ConstructConnect Blog. Titled Construction Technology is Reshaping the Industry, the 16th of April 2020.